Welcome, fellow cyclists, to Bike Life with Rob. I am Rob. This is my wife and I on our anniversary trip in Brown County, and we are headed towards Crooked Creek at this point.
Yeah, this is nice.
Look for the 10 o'clock line trail that heads off the opposite end of Brown County's campgrounds, and it'll take you to the Crooked Creek Trail. You'll end up climbing a little bit. It's kind of a double track, single track here and there, but it eventually comes out into a stony, gravelly type road, and right there will be the trailhead for Crooked Creek.
Another tree.
Here we have now ventured onto Crooked Creek, the trail system. My wife, I think, has had enough miles. Her arms are getting a little tired, so the technical trails she was going to skip, and so I went off on my own. We saw a trail where she could take the 2-track around and meet me, so that's what she did. And here's some footage of the Crooked Creek Trail. It's actually a little bit tighter than the Brown County main trails, a little narrower. Definitely worth going over and giving it a whirl, riding on them. They've got some cool different features, and it's definitely technical, but fun. This was my first time on the trails, and we had been riding all day, so the GoPros did not last. That actually dies pretty shortly here, and that's why I don't have very much footage of this trail. At the end of this trail, I came out to a dam and a lake, and then the trail continued on the other side of the dam and was still pretty fun and technical. As always, thanks for watching, thanks for riding with us today. Be sure to share and subscribe. The next video out will be the Hobbs Hollow Flow Trail, and I will post that coming soon. So stay tuned and stay subscribed.